Greetings, everyone. So right now we are learning a new trick for Sudoku, and one thing that I wanted to point out is that this trick is going to help you. Uh, Actually, once you learn this trick, you can actually start solving a lot of Sudoku. Basically, for a while, I only knew like the four trick, like the three previous tricks that I showed you plus this one, and that was enough for me to solve like a lot of easy and medium Sudokus. For the hard ones, I had to think little bit deeper and learn new tricks. But you might want to start solving a few Sudokus after you learn this trick because it's actually yeah, just test it out, practice, and have fun with it, and show off to your friends and family how good you are at Sudoku. So we start with this trick. So this is actually a very simple, like it's not very evolved trick, but basically like when you see a line that is almost finished, I mean it's something that you should watch out. When you see a line that is almost finished, then pretty much you can finish it. With the number that is missing. So here we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and it could have been in a different order. Like it's useful to always like go through a line and then try to count them through. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the last number even, of course, is 9. So you just look at the line and then try to finish it basically. Here, this is another case where you have a square, and again, within that square, it's almost finished. So of course, you can just finish it with the last number. So this applies when you have 8 numbers within a line or a square. But when you see like a line or a square that has a lot of numbers, you can actually try to use the trick and start counting. And in this case, you have 7 numbers within the line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can see that 8 can be at 2 position. But if you look at the 8 below, and you can use triangulation to eliminate 8 from one spot, so that means 8 can only be at one spot right here. And since it is almost finished, you can just add the last number, 9. So this is pretty simple, and sometimes when you're stuck, like even, like let's say you have a lot of like you don't really know what to do. It's good to actually go through different lines and just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if there's a number missing, you just skip it. So maybe you go 1, 2. Okay, there's no 3, so skip 3 and 4, 5, 6, and then keep going until 9. And as you go through each number, you realize, oh wait, this number doesn't fit, like can only fit there, so it has to be there. Here, this is another example. I have a 6 number within the square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But because of that, it actually tells me that like let's say the number 7 can only be at 3's position, and that's helpful because of that I know that the whole line cannot have 7 anymore, and therefore at the very bottom you know exactly where to put the next 7. So let's see. With that in mind, I am going to check an easy Sudoku puzzle and then use the technique we just learned. So basically just counting through the line. I can see like there's a big line right here, you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Where does 4 goes? It can go either on the left side right here or the right side right here. But you can see that there's the rule of triangulation that says we cannot have 4 in this whole line because it's already right here. Therefore, I can remove 4 from here. And now, as soon as I put 4, usually I go back from the beginning. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's missing 7. And 7, it can't be anywhere else, so we're going to put it here. 7, 8, 9. So that's pretty good, with this method we got 2 numbers already. Let's see which one has a Okay, let's try this one. So one there's too many places. 2, 3, 4, 4. So see, even though there's like a lot of numbers missing, I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, and on this whole line right here, and I can already put 4 because I know 4 cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here because of triangulation. So it's only one place here. And as soon as I put one number, I start from the beginning again, because the fact that I put 4 changes the whole line already. So now I'm thinking again. Okay, 1 too many places. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 can only be here and here. Let's continue. 6, 7. 7 is up there. 8 and 9. 9. So I cannot really go further with this line. I mean, I'm wondering like 5, because 5 cannot be here, so 5 can only be here and here. Still, I can't see any more information that can help me solve this. Let's see if we can go further with another line. Let's say this one, we can try. 1, 2, 3, no, 3 is blocked right here, 3, there's still too many places. Okay, how about 4? 4 cannot be here. Almost. 4 has 2 positions, but still that's too much. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 7 is here, 8, and finally 9. 9 has too many positions. Okay, this is helpful when either a box or a line has a lot of numbers already filled in. So if there's like only 2 or 3 numbers missing, that's very helpful. Otherwise, I mean, it's a lot faster if you go through different techniques like triangulation or number pushing or all the previous ones that I explained to eliminate numbers. But I hope this was useful. I think like right now, try out some Sudokus. You can try this website, websudoku.com, and try some easy ones. I'm sure you can solve the easy ones. Some medium ones might be a little bit harder, but you can still give it a try. But there are still some more tricks that I need to explain. So after I explain the next trick, I also will share some tips when I play Sudoku that helps you work a little bit faster or things like that. Alright, I hope you liked it, and then see you next time for the next Sudoku tutorial. Ciao!